I'm Kathryn Chess, your nutritionist and healthy living coach. And did you know that healing your hormones can be as simple as cleaning up your endocrine system? I hear you saying, Kathryn, that does not sound simple. And what the heck is my endocrine system? Let me tell you, a healthy endocrine system keeps your beautiful body running like a well-oiled machine. The main endocrine glands are your kidneys, your adrenals, your liver, your thyroid, and your pituitary gland. They work together like a beautiful orchestra. They keep your hormones harmonized and your body healthy, happy, and full of energy. As a woman over 50, I feel better than I ever have in my life. Today, I'm going to share with you my favorite elixir to keep your system running like a well-oiled machine. What is it? It's green juice. Here's how I make mine. I start with 2 cucumbers chopped and I add them to my high-speed blender. Then a little tart apple. I use Fuji or a green apple just to give it a little bit of sweetness. Then I add a very small piece of ginger. Ginger is great for your digestion. And for all these veggies, there's no need to peel any of them. They're loaded with nutrients. The peel makes them so much healthier. Let's keep it simple. Next, I add half of a bunch of mint and about 1/4 of a cup of parsley. You could also add basil or any of your favorite herbs. Then I add 1 tablespoon of aloe. The aloe heals the gut lining and all of your cells. And finally, a little lemon, squeezed from this handy dandy lemon squeezer, and 3/4 of a cup of water. Then I blend everything together in my high-speed blender, and through the magic of video, you've got your green drink. Yummy. Sip this through the day, and you'll watch your energy levels soar. This is Kathryn Chess, your nutritionist and healthy living coach.